Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name is Greg. Today I'm going to do a 3-month review of our Glowstep Revolution Steps from Torklift. Now, last year my wife had an unfortunate accident and had an ankle injury. And so this year she asked that I get a set of solid steps put on the trailer. And so I was searching around looking at the different manufacturers that have stairs that would be what we were looking for, and I sent some questions to Torklift, and they said yes, the 3-step would work on our trailer. We have a 2018 Coleman Lantern 202RD, and then they came back and asked if we would like to go ahead and do a review of them if they sent them out to us, and we said yes, we would love to. So we put them in back in April, and we've had the opportunity to go out camping about 5 times. This time we are on an extended vacation, and so I thought I'd bring you in today and talk a little bit about them and what we think about them. So they do have 3 position adjustments right here, so you can adjust this in 3 positions. This is actually the highest position, so I'm going to kind of just set you off right here and just kind of show you the different heights. So you just pull and you can release it, go down a little bit further, and even further. So if you're in a position, where your trailer is not exactly level, or this side drops down further, you can adjust it. As you can see, we have our Anderson levelers on this side, so we had to raise up the trailer a little bit on this side, and our treads are level. And actually on the highest position and at that notch, it's beautiful that we have the opportunity, because a lot of places we stay, we do have to lower a little bit to allow the feet to hit the ground and also still give us that nice walking firm step as we are getting out of these. They're all aircraft aluminum, built with stainless steel hardware. It does have a safety latch. Now these steps are direct replacement to the steps that came with the trailer. We just took those out. There was a couple shims that we added to put these in. So down here you can see that we have adjustable feet. If the ground is not level side to side, we can adjust each side. We can use this to adjust down if we need to get them level, along with the upper adjustment. To stow is real easy. We just raise them up, push them together, raise the arm, and close it. There's a safety pin for while traveling, and they also do recommend it for while we are at the campsite. To deploy, just lift up, pull out, and set the height that you want. Stand them all the way out, send them down. And if need be, you can adjust your legs. One thing we did was we added some non-skid tape here, and that is to also help our dog in and out of the trailer. She is kind of leery about coming up and down them. They also do provide a pet safe, which is a piece of material that goes behind here. They're going to be sending that out for us to try also. We just haven't got that yet. And one of the other accessories they have is a skirt buster. So you can just drag your feet right across it before you go inside, reduce the amount of dirt that's in. So what are some of the benefits to these steps over the other solid steps? Well, number one, these ones don't go inside the trailer, so any of the dirt and debris that's on them stays outside. They do have adjustments to where if, let's say that there is something really close to us, we're in a parking lot and we need to gain access and we don't have much room, we can always shorten up the steps and still have a nice level platform to step up and down on. Upwards of almost, and we can even still adjust it there, about 6 inches out. Or if you're in your spot where you store it and you don't have much room, you're able to adjust it. You know, with the other ones that fold out, they're like a drawbridge, and if there's something close to it, you might not be able to deploy them. So I hope this helped you with making a decision on picking up a set of these Glowstep Revolutions. I really like them. I think they're a great addition to our trailer. So please, if you like the review, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And until the next one, happy camping.